My problem with Egyptian politicians, they're always in denial. That's a current joke. You can now stream online. This bag says it's what's inside that counts. Let's take a look. A calculator. You can count on that one. That's just an adder. What's this? What's this? Come on, I haven't got all night, you know. No, it's a vegan dildo. Reminds me of an ex-girlfriend. Tasteless, made my eyes water, and oh, thin. Where do veggies sit? At the veggie table. Vegan with a blister on its foot. A quorn. A veggie's favourite pop group. Prefab Sprout. I always buy too much, you know, when I'm out. That's my problem. What's this? Come on, I want quicker answers. I want to get back for Crime Watch. No, it's a posh vegan dildo. Appealing has interest from Coldplay's Chris Martin. Can't blame him, it's all yellow. What do Coldplay take after a concert? Paracetamol. Wow, it's in their name. They caught a cold. All this cat food. Still can't get enough pussy. And it has interest from Coldplay's Chris Martin because it's all yellow. Condom walks into a gym, comes out ripped. Weetabix walks into the gym, comes out looking shredded. Painter walks into the gym, comes out looking toned. This big poo comes into the gym. Now that's a tough shit. I'm supposed to say this chocolate bar quietly. Whisper! And if you're a George Michael fan, that's a careless whisper. There you go. Sorry. I'm supposed to keep the PG, the cups of tea jokes PG. Is that your boyfriend? Let's just pretend. To give your boyfriend a good tea bag in the morning. There you go. What our country would love the most is rainfall in the form of cups of tea. Because in the streets there will be tea bagging everywhere. Tea bagging everywhere. Tea bagging everywhere. In the kitchen or in the bathroom. Us Brits just love a good tea bagging. I'm going to end on this one. Are you all in to your sci-fi films? Mars Attacks, everybody!